Today we will solve a question from second year chemistry, exercise question from solution chapter, that is 2.18 solution solve करेंगे. This question is the same question which is asked in NEET recently. So the question states that the question is calculate the mass of non-volatile solute having molar mass 40 grams per mole, which should be dissolved in 114 grams of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. This is the question. So we have to use two important principles. One is Raoult's law should be used, which is P naught minus Ps by P naught equals to x2, and x2 is the mole fraction, which is equal to n2 divided by n1 plus n2. So using these two formula, we can calculate the molar mass of the solute. Here, so first we should know what is octane. Octane is C8H18, whose molar mass is 414. Unfortunately, the weight of it is also 414. So just we plug in the values. Here one more point to be understood here, you should be understand here 80%, the P naught value is reduced to 80%. What does it mean? It means if P naught value is 100 in the beginning, 80% of it has been reduced. That means 100 into 80 by 100. 80% has been reduced. That means only the remaining one is going to be only 20% is left. So the 100 say 80 चले गए, so what would be left over? 20. So 20% of vapor pressure is reduced. So this is the key point in this question. So we'll plug in the values in the same Raoult's law में plug in करके we will solve the problem. So let us say P naught minus Ps is going to be 80% of P naught. That means I can write as 0.8 of P naught, which should be divided by again P naught, which is equal to x2, right? So I'll write the P naught as a common. It is equal to 1 minus 0.8 divided by P naught equals to x2. So P naught cancels out, x2 becomes equals to 0.2. So this is the first part we have calculated. The mole fraction of the solute has come up like 0.02. So 80% reduce होने के बाद we could able to solve from these two techniques. Now what shall we do? We'll move to the next part. We have to calculate the molar mass of the non-volatile solute. So we plug in the 0.2 value in this formula and we solve for N2, but molar mass should be known. So by plugging the values here, so I would say 0.2 equals to moles of N2, we should write it is. So let us say x by 40. I'll write it as x by 40 because 40 is the molar mass of the solute given, and x we should have to calculate, which is for non-volatile solute. So it's going to be x by 40, which should be divided by N1 is 114 divided by 114. Here 114 is the molar mass of octane and 114 is the mass of the octane given, plus again x by 40. If we solve further, this cancels out and it becomes like x by 40 should be x plus 40 by 40 आएगा. On further simplification, यहाँ 40 gets cancelled out, so we are left with only x by 40. So on cross multiplying, we will get 0.2 multiplied by x plus 40, which is equals to x. 0.2 x plus 0.2 into 40 would be 8 equals to x. 8 equals to x, that means 0.8x equals to 8 and x equals to 10 grams. This is the answer for the question. Thank you.